Hello YouTube family and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. In front of me I have a huge car bumper from a Kia Rio GT line. So we have some issues here, as you can see, and I will try to fix this bumper with this plastic welding gun from Parkside. In the past I have made a video unboxing, reviewing and testing on other plastic parts, but today I will show you how you can use this welding gun on a car bumper. Let's try and fix this bumper. A quick unboxing again. So as I mentioned, here it is the large issue with the bumper, and here at the middle. I will start with the large problem. First, I need to glue that. So small amount of glue here. It will help to keep these two broken plastic parts together. So I think it is okay after 3 to 4 minutes. Here we have 4 different stumbles, and I will use this. It has a larger area. Insert that here inside. The safety switch, press the button, red, and when it goes to green, that means it is ready. It's getting hot. Okay, perfect. Nice. Very easy to apply. It is very safe to insert. And it's getting hot. And now you can apply that. Not too much. You don't want to go all the way at the other side. Nice job. Have a good ventilation at your home. Working LED light at the front. Beautiful. And we need to repeat the process multiple times until it will cover all this area. Now we need to break one by one these metals here. That's why we have this cutter. Obviously it takes time. Beautiful. I like the result. We need to use another one here. Okay, beautiful. I like it. Now the same thing I need to do in here. I need the glue. And then using the welding again. Now I have decided to proceed without the glue, only with the welding gun, and then one by one, already too hot. I need to make the start and then keep moving. Nice, nice, I like it. We are getting there. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. Come on. You can do it. Obviously, we need to feel the plastic from the other side. Beautiful! Wow! Let's keep moving. I really like how durable these repairs can be when done properly, and it's a great way to save money while learning useful DIY repair skills. And we're good! Love it! Just love it! And here we have another small area. If you were to take a cracked bumper like this to a professional body shop, they'd instantly tell you to buy a brand new bumper, paint it and charge you a fortune. For a fraction of the cost, only 16 euros, this tool lets you stitch the plastic back together so tightly that it's arguably stronger than it was before the accident. It takes a little patience, but the satisfaction of saving hundreds of dollars on a DIY repair is completely worth it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more DIY car repairs, tool reviews and workshop projects. Thanks for watching, work safe, repair smart, and I'll see you in the next one.